here is our mixer. In here, you can choose the input and every input and choose this bus or effect mean the output. This is the DCA 1 to 8. Here we choose the input 1 to 16, and, such as in the channel 1. We can do some configuration here, and such as you press here, you can adjust the gain, and here you can adjust here the high pass the frequency and the low pass the frequency, and here you can adjust the frequency in the PEQ, and here you can adjust the PEQ, the gain from here, and here is the Q. You can also adjust here. If you press bypass, it means that not enable or disable this configuration you have done just now. And here you can give the microphone the voltage to power on the microphone. And the next part, go to the gate limiter and the delay, the gate. You can also adjust the gate here, such as here. The gate, but normally we don't do some configuration in here. And this is the limiter, also the name the compressor. Normally, we also not just here. If you have a high quality, but very hard, normally find the sound engineer to adjust it. And here is our delay. If your speaker have a long distance with the mixer, you can adjust the here. Choose the delay, such as 5 meters. We change it to 5. And here we have a milliseconds automatically. Is the mix stand. It means that you give the channel 1 to any output. To here, any output. The bus 1 in here you can find in system setup the output 1. And you can also give the fourth channel the effection here. And here you can also change the bus. And this is the pen. You can adjust the pen. It means the left and the right channel. And this key, such as you press home, the monitor go to the home page. And if you add some thing, you can add something here, such as you add a new thing. This is this is the meeting model. If you have a meeting, you can save here. Choose the meeting model. You can also choose the stage lighting model. And here effect. You can here our mixer have a ordinary library. You can choose the effect here. You choose the bright room and save. And this copy, you can copy any channel, this channel to the target channel. It means give the same configuration to here. And the next thing, you can choose the meter. The meter it means that if you the first channel, if play music, it will have a level, and the other is the same. And the lock, you can lock and unlock the screen. And here, the recording and the delay. If you connect a USB to the mixer, you can recording and also can play the music from the USB. And here in the system setup, you can check here in the device setup. Here you can choose the device description and the IP address. And the IP address is for us to log in the iPad. You can also download software in your iPad or the Windows system. And this is a net mask address. And here you can enable and disable the touch screen promote. And here is the setting. You can also change the backlight setting. And you can also enable or disable the fader. And here you can set the application login password. Normally is 126, and you can also change the language of the mixer. You can choose the English and the Chinese. And the next part of the oscillator, we can normally here we don't change it here. If you do some configuration, maybe have a noise. And this auto mix. This according your requirement, you can adjust it. In the mute group, if you mute group in such as you can group this channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4, make them in the group 1. You can at the same time to group the 4 channel. And here is the fader link. If you fader the input 1, such as we give the input 1, if you link the fader, such as I link the channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4, you can adjust the 4 fader at the same time. And this is the stereo link. You can also link the input 1 to this. You can such as this one is left and right channel, and also here you can also set as the left and the right channel. And here you can find the key from A to H. You can set the define the key. In here A to H, you can define the 8 key. And here you can upgrade the version, and upgrade the version and the system reset. And this is the system diagram. Normally we just for your reference. This is for your reference. And here is the input channel. We have this input channel. This is the 48 voltage indicator light. Normally you can connect any audio source to the input. And here is the output channel. Normally we connect to the audio processor or amplifier. And here is the network. And here we can this mixer can also working with our sound control system. This is the RS232 port. And that's all.